Tornado warning? What? Hold up. Tornado warning. I don't know what the frick. What the fuck? This is so all of a sudden.
20 miles an hour. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, public confirmed tornado near Clinton. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Clinton, Darien, and Allen's Grove. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Trace. They just put us under a tornado warning. They said there's a confirmed tornado on the ground in Clinton.
What?
They said there's a confirmed tornado on the ground in Clinton. Move, bear. Confirmed tornado in Clinton. A storm just rolled past. It wasn't severe. Holy shit. Excuse my language, but this is crazy.
Yeah, that thing didn't alert me.
Yeah, because it's in Clinton, but it's still in Rock County.
But still part about to hit Beloit, so they're gonna alert us.
They said the public's seen this one, not even storm chasers.
Damn. Did they get the size?
I'm looking right now. It was so unexpected. That's why the sirens were on before it. Holy shit, dude. Again,
Did the
excuse my
sirens alert
language.
you or not?
No, the freaking my radio went off.
Uh.
I thought it was a flood warning because, like I said, I've been paying attention. It's been raining non-stop since 6 this morning. But nope.
Damn.
What an active year. Look at this is it right here. This is the tornado warning.
Oh, damn.
Damaging tornado.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, they're going with it. Oh, there's the tornado warning.
I don't know why they sound the sirens for Beloit. I mean, we are in Rock County, but this is in Clinton.
Yeah, this is Clinton. That's about 5 miles away from us.
As you can see, most portions of northern and central Illinois is under a, you can hear the Southwood sirens too. Hold up. I was confused because y'all hear it in the background?
Yep, the one South.
Those are the sirens in South Beloit.
And Rockford's under a tornado watch.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. Much of North Central and Illinois is under a tornado watch right now, but this was all of a sudden. Severe thunderstorm warning for Davis Junction.
2 weeks after we got that tornado warning in July.
It's about to be the anniversary of that tornado warning we got last year
Well, yeah, tomorrow, right?
with the Dre show and stuff. Yeah, tomorrow, August 10th. Oh snap!
What's going on?
I gotta turn the stove off.
Why? The door's not locked. I'm not.
Hey bear, turn the stove off. I was making hot dogs, but like I said,
I was playing Cold War until you notified me.
it's crazy, crazy. You can hear the thunder in the background.
Yeah, with the
Trying to find AccuWeather. There it is. Well, I'll upload again if anything else goes on, but as of right now, there is a confirmed tornado in Clinton on the ground.